National Health Week commences today. Now, the Ministry of Health stated that Health Week activities will continue until the 16th of this month. The 11th of March, that's tomorrow, has been named as Dengue Prevention Day. Now, to engage in a more comprehensive discussion on this, we have with us in the studio Director of the Central Epidemiological Unit of the Ministry of Health, Dr. Paba Palihavaddana. Good morning to you, Doctor. Thank you for joining us very early this morning. Now, what are the main reasons that we can attribute to this week being named as National Health Week?
Yes. Every year we declare a National Health Week to strengthen ongoing disease control activities and to strengthen intersectoral collaboration.
Right. What is the situation with regard to dengue? We have spoken largely on this, whether it be in media, whether it be in the legislative system. We have introduced new laws to make sure that the disease is curbed. What steps has the ministry been taking?
Yes, the ministry has been strengthening the control work, especially identification of cases, and then to start outbreak control measures if there is an outbreak, and if there are cases to clean up the area. So these are the activities we do as soon as we see a case. That is done by the Ministry of Health staff. And in addition, the patient treatment, the management of cases in hospitals. So we have strengthened the management practices and also the hospital facilities in case management.
Statistically speaking, how many cases of dengue have been reported this year, Doctor?
This year so far we have more than 5,200 cases reported.
And of these, how many have been fatal?
There were 11 deaths reported.
Right. Of course, when we speak to the public, it has to be a message to the masses. So what message can you give the masses today?
The key thing is to prevent mosquito breeding, that is to eliminate breeding sites of dengue mosquito. Those are very often it's the small containers. So the entomological investigations reveal that the 60% of the breeding is taking place in discarded containers. So the main thing is to remove those containers and the breeding places where the dengue mosquito can breed.
All right, thank you very much. That was, of course, Dr. Paba Palihavaddana speaking to Newsfirst.